million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out this I love the way it makes me come alive.
Hey boo, hey, I'm back with some human hair drip with a company that I'm thinking we never worked with before. Sorry, and if we did, it was a long time ago. So we're gonna see if we like them or if they trash, and y'all know I'm gonna keep it funky with you if they are. This company is called Megalook Hair. Now I've seen them online, I just can't remember when we reviewed it. If you look in that description box, you'll see a direct link to this wig, the details, the coupon code, most likely, all that jazz. All I did was take it out of its original shipping packaging because y'all know I like to do all that with y'all. Subscribe. Okay, so not only did they send the wig, oh, and I see color, y'all. But that reverse skunk be beating the hell out of me. I can't lie. Not only did they send the wig, they sent a little baggie that has some stuff in it. It has some eyelashes, an edge band, some stocking caps, and a little clip for your head. See, that's why we can't advance, because I do stupid stuff like that. All right, so here's the wig. The only thing it says on the outside is that it's 16 inches long. But like I said, look in that description box and you'll see all the other details. This wig it feels very thick. Like that feels like a whole lot of hair. What that density say down there on this? All right, so cap construction looks pretty bomb. You get a comb in the back and adjustable straps. And then in the front, this looks like a 13 by 6, but hell, that could have been a 58 by 72. Y'all know I don't know. You get a whole lot of parting space, like a 13 by 6. You comb here to the right, a comb to the left, one at the crown, and Megalook Hair has that band sewn in so it'll lay flush to your bald head. All right, this is what I mean when I say that blonde be whooping my tail. I know that everybody's into the skunk trend right now. I just don't like a 613 on me without a dark root. But, you know, that's a personal preference. Before we cut off this lace, let me plop this bad boy on my head. Oh, why y'all ain't tell me to take this shit off? Now the wig itself is going to be bomb. Okay, because you get all that parting space, you don't have to wear her, you know, that's the millennial in me. It gotta be a side part, right? You could also wear it down the middle. Or you could wear it over here to the right. Okay, because you get all that parting space. All right. Y'all, let's cut off this lace, play around with this Joan, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. Sorry. Shit. All right, y'all. So I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig. I think this wig is so fun and flirty. I added my version of dark roots to this, and all I did was take a dark brown, it's actually a contour powder, and run it across here. The other thing, I used a foundation stick instead of like regular powder because it'll get real messy with 613 hair. And this is what we came up with. I absolutely love, but y'all know I love this length hair and curly. It's like tousled bedhead waves. Yeah, so okay, Megalook. And it was beginner friendly because y'all know I can't comb hair, right? Right, so if I could do it, you can do it. So this wig is a definite must if you're looking for some skunk hair. I went and looked on their website. You don't have to get this blonde 16. They had a green, they had a pink, they had a blue, they had a red. So any of those, like this is really pretty. And I like it better with that dark rooting up there because I reviewed a wig just like this, identical, about 2 weeks ago. And it didn't have dark roots. So I was just kind of like, right? But with that dark rooting, it just makes me feel more comfortable. Some of y'all can rock a 613, not a single root. I'm so country. Yeah. This is gorgeous. Definitely recommend this one. The hair is nice and soft. It doesn't have a stinky smell. And I only put like 3 curls in this. The rest of it, I said, let me stop so they can see what it looked like straight out of the pack. And this is really, really pretty. I do recommend this one from Megalook Hair. Like I said, as you subscribe, look in the description box, you'll see a direct link to this bad boy. Okay? You might not even be in the wigs. Maybe it's your Granny Mary. Maybe it's your Uncle Matthew, whichever one. Send them my way, because I'm banking on Megalook just based on this wig. We'll work with them again to see if we're going to keep them in the rotation. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, y'all.